Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Mr. Carlos once again. Today I'm going to give you a quick instructional video on how to make a project I've called Inside Outside Hand, and I will just show you how to put it together, and you can refer to it after the class if you forget how to do it. So the materials you will need today, very simple. This is a simple project. It's a good way to get started. We want markers. We're using markers and crayons and a pencil. So Inside Outside Hand is a project where we make a tracing of our hand and then we color it in. But the idea of the coloring in part is we want to use the inside of the hand for just markers, and we color that in with markers, and we want to use the outside of the hand with just crayons, and we want to do this so we learn about how materials look different next to each other. So to make the hand, you take your hand, which is not your writing hand, and you lay it on your piece of drawing paper. Now you can get someone to help you, or you can do this on your own. The best way to do it is to hold the pencil straight up and down instead of on the side. You're not writing, you're tracing. You also want to make sure that you press your hand down so it doesn't move. Once your hand is on the paper, I like to start from the bottom here, and I just trace around the hand slowly and carefully, and you notice the pencil is straight up and down. If at first it doesn't come out good, you can either erase lines or just turn the paper over and do another one. So here you have, I hope you can see this, the tracing of the hand. So this is the inside hand and this is the outside. So once again, to repeat, the inside of the hand we're going to color in with markers and markers only. We want to just make this a big, nice, rich, colorful drawing of a hand, and you can write with words in there if you want, or you can just color with colors. And my only request is you try to fill it in completely. The outside, out here, your outside world, you want to color in with crayon, and I will start a little bit and show you some of how to do it, and then I will show you a finished sample, and the rest is up to you. So sometimes people like to start by going over the tracing. I'm only going to do a few fingers. Okay. Sometimes maybe you want to put a watch. Put a watch on there. And again, I want to ask you to color things in. Okay. Don't forget, you could put fingernails if you want to make the hand look realistic. You can make it look not realistic. And maybe I'll just, here, I'll draw a pair of eyes. Okay. There, just to have some fun. The whole idea is just to have fun, but in the end, you want to make sure that you color in everything. Okay. Even here you want to color in. Okay, so if I were to continue, I would make lots of different things. You can make polka dots, color them in, and also color around them. Okay, but notice I am only using the marker. And to finish this project, you want to color it all the way in. And I'm going to show you a sample before we're done. So after you finish with making the hand all beautiful, you can take your crayons and you can color in any way you like. Sometimes people just like to color in different areas. I like to use different looking patterns, like a spiral. And I'm just mixing them together. And even here, you can color over your crayon so that you have the whole idea is to fill it in solid, or solid as you can. Okay. So this is a quick version, and the whole idea is we want the marker and the crayon to be separate from each other because they look different, and we want to learn how to just understand materials better. So I'm going to show you a finished version. I did a sample. And I'm going to end the video with this. But as you can see, I did the hand. I filled it all in, all kinds of different patterns and things, and I outlined a few things, but not completely. So the hand is much darker and richer looking. And the background, which is the crayon, which I chose to make a pattern of flowers, is much lighter and softer. And so we have a difference that we want to just explore. So that's the whole idea behind the inside-outside hand. Of course, I'll explain more during class time. And this is just a way for you to, in case you forget instructions, to know what to do. So go at it, have fun, fill everything in. And if you don't like one, make another. All right, have a great day.